In fact, one of the interviews, after the interview, we were all seated there, and Swami was walking. I was sitting at the corner. I have a habit of writing on a small slip and giving it to Bhagwan. So I just wrote a quick slip and gave it to Bhagwan. And Swami looked at that slip, slapped on my face, but Swami blushed a little bit. I wrote on the slip, "Swami, you are looking very handsome today, Swami." And he was looking very handsome. And immediately I said, "Swami, Maku Swami seva chese bhagyami and Swami." This is what I said. "Swami, give us more opportunities of doing seva." And let me tell you, my dear brothers and sisters, the words that Swami said that day. "Hey, మీరు స్వామి సేవ చేస్తూ పోండి, చేస్తూ పోండి, చేస్తూ పోండి. నేను మీ సేవ చేస్తూ పోతాను, చేస్తూ పోతాను, చేస్తూ పోతాను. ఇదే సాయి మాట అన్నారు." And right from that day or even before that, I'm telling you, all the brothers who were actually involved in the Satya Sai youth activities are in wonderful positions today. And if we are in wonderful positions, there is only one and only one reason, that is Bhagwan. Nobody else. That is what it is. And he said, "Ray, చూసావా చేస్తా సేవ ఎట్లా చేస్తాను తెలుసా? మీరు కూర్చున్న చోటికి నేను నడిచి వస్తాను. I come and walk to you. You don't come to me. I come up to you and walk to you and talk to you. That itself is సేవరా. స్వామి ఇయ్యడానికి వచ్చినాడు కానీ తీసుకోవడానికి రాలేదురా అని చెప్పారు. Swami has come to give. That you should always know. One of the boys once in an interview also asked this question, "Swami, in the need of hour, will you actually come and help us?" This is a question that most of us ask. Swami said, "తప్పకుండా వస్తాను రా. నేను కార్లో రాను, ప్లేన్లో రాను, ఫ్లాష్లో వస్తారా, నేను ఫ్లాష్లో వస్తాను అని అన్నారు Swami. And let me tell you this, brothers, in one of the villages when we were doing in a village called Kadarpeta near Anantapur district, there were a lot of problems, community problems. People were, when we were doing a medical camp, we saw people chopping off legs and everything that's happening. And we took a photograph. We were actually in a temple. In that photograph, in that flash, I could, the print, when it took the print, it was, instead of the photograph came, it was Baba. And tiny pictures of Swami came in the form of letters BA. And then Swami mentioned, "Are the flash lo vastini kada nenu?" He said that, and he said, all that you need to do is, if you want me to be there, he gave a wonderful example. He said, you remember the Sri Lanka Broadcasting Corporation, the Ceylon, earlier days, I'm senior brothers will be knowing here, you used to do a fine-tuning to get the waves properly. Swami said, what is needed today is that fine-tuning. You tune yourself to me, and I will appear before you. So this is a great direction that Bhagwan gave us. Right. These are some of the wonderful questions that we asked. Some of them we feel stupid why we have asked, but the wonderful answers that Bhagwan given us, I would like to share. We said one day, one of the boys said, "Swami, when we are here, we behave very goody-goody." Students, when we are here, we behave very, very goody-goody. But when we go back, Swami, we get into that bad habits, bad thoughts. Why is it that this happens? Swami narrated very beautifully. Swami said, "This is not your mistake. See, when you come here, you are all like earthen pots. Matti kundal lanti vallu. Meeru na daggara unnappudu prema ane neeruto nenu nimputanu mimanu. I fill you up with love called water. You guys, when you come back, go back to your homes or cities, what you do? You take this earthen pot and put it in sunshine with bad company. In sunlight, which is called bad company. And the water that is prema gets evaporated. That is why you actually behave in bad ways. Instead of that, what you do is, when you are here, fill up your earthen pots with good things, prema, go back, put it in a water tank called sadhana, satsangam cheyandi, good company lo undandi, and your water is always full. You will never be in bad company and bad thoughts." And that was one of the wonderful messages that Swami has said. And that is when the Hyderabad Youth Group made it mandatory that every week we meet in a satsangam, sit down and talk good things. That is the path forward that we did. Then we also said, "Swami, we have come here so many times, continuously we have come, but unfortunately we don't see major change in ourselves. We have not changed much. You agree? A lot of us actually feel that. We don't see that change. Then Swami said, correct era meeru, bad habits. మీరు ఫ్యాన్ తెలుసు కదా, మీరు ఫ్యాన్ చూస్తేవా అని అడిగారు. చూస్తాం స్వామి. ఫ్యాన్ ఎట్లా ఆన్ అవుతుంది? స్విచ్ ఆన్ చేస్తే ఫ్యాన్ అవుతుంది. మీరు స్విచ్ ఆన్ చేసినప్పుడు ఆ ఫ్యాన్ తిరగడం బ్యాడ్ హ్యాబిట్స్. ఫ్యాన్ స్విచ్ ఆఫ్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? ఆగిపోతుందా? కాసేపు తిరుగుతుంది. ఇట్ రొటేట్స్ ఫర్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ అండ్ దెన్ స్టాప్స్. సిమిలర్లీ, when you switch off the bad habits, what will happen is, it will rotate for some time. That bad habits, bad thoughts will pervade for some time, then will stop. And he said, let me assure you, whosoever comes to Satya Sai will definitely ward off bad habits. This is what I'm assuring you. So that is one great message that Bhagavan had given us. And he also told us, you're like house flies actually. You know what you do? ఈగ లాంటి వాళ్ళు మీరు. ఈ చెత్త మీద ఆ చెత్త దీని చెత్త అన్ని చెత్తల మీద వెళ్ళి కూర్చుంటారు. మీరు చెత్త ఆలోచనలే వస్తాయి మీకు. ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ డోంట్ బీ ఏ హౌస్ ఫ్లై, బీ లైక్ ఏ హనీ బీ. గో టు దట్ ఫ్లవర్, ఐడెంటిఫై దట్ ఫ్లవర్, టేక్ ద నెక్టర్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. I want all my students, all my youth members to be like this wonderful honeybees. Go and suck the nectar out of good things. This is one great message that Bhagavan has actually said.